Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful food application, food demo application in Angular 19 plus Ionic. And friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So you can see the beautiful food delivery app demo. Let me reload it and see guys, ng version 19.1.7, so it's latest, and also Ionic latest version as well. Let me show you as well. So guys, here is project structure. I have created pages like home, default, contact, and about us. And let me show you all the details like Angular 19 and Ionic version 8. So both are latest versions as well. So guys, here we go. So I see beautiful food application homepage, and also is a navigation, the beautiful top title, beautiful banner image, like also beautiful search. You can type it and cross it, and the categories and the popular food items with order button and the menu navigation. So guys, for you, I just made the beautiful home page and his about and contact. So guys, I can see the navigation is work properly. See guys, okay, have you seen just beautiful? And guys, also here is the project structure, like 3 pages. I have generated home, about and contact, and his make app.com.html, and here the routing as well. See guys, proper routing as well. We can cross, and this is the load as well. I can delete it and save it. And guys, also here is the code snippet link that you will get it. See guys, this is my blog, therichpost.com. Here is the code snippet link. You will get the code snippet all from here as well. With the see, here are the commands to generate the demo project. Here are the commands to create new pages as well. And you generate page, contact, and about. And also here are the coding. So guys, also I've shared the Git repo link from where you can get the demo images as well. These demo images, let me show you. You see, put up link. Here you will get the demo images as well. So guys, this is it. Now friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. Here's contact us page on my blog. Guys, also after it, I will come with more demos as well. So guys, see, here's contact us page. In this page, you'll get my email ID, my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. So if you will have any kind of project, then feel free to assign me anytime. I'm fully available for you. So friends, after it, I will come with more apps demo as well, like online store demo as well with checkout and cart pages as well. So guys, for now, this is it. So guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.